Hey, Joe here for JSEFXTrading.com. We've all heard the trend is your friend. And what I have for you today is a multi-pair trend directional indicator. It's free. Just visit our website. The address is at the end of the presentation here. And you can pick this up free. And what I'm going to cover today is how to install it on MetaTrader 4. So we've all heard the trend is your friend, and if you followed the trend on the Euro USD for the past 3 months, you would have had some pretty good returns as the euro has come down in value quite a bit. Of course, the difficulty with a trend style of trading is that, if you look backward over a long period like we just did, it looks pretty easy. But if you were, say, trading a 5-minute chart of the Euro USD, the trend isn't as easy to follow. It's not as clear over time. So what this indicator does will help you stay out of these choppy markets. Of course, knowing what that trend is in different time frames for that same pair can help you in terms of your analysis, keeping you out of those choppy markets, especially in the shorter time frames. So what this indicator does is just give you a quick visual of what that is doing in that pair is doing basically in the different time frames, whether it's going up, down, or sideways. So let's go ahead and install it. I've assumed at this point you downloaded it from the site, and what you want to do is put it in your MetaTrader 4 indicators file. So if your MetaTrader is sitting in like C program files, Forex MetaTrader 4, then after that you're going to find an indicators file, so /indicators, and you want to basically drag and drop it into that folder. Once it's in the folder, you want to go ahead and start MetaTrader 4. And there's two ways to basically get the indicators onto your chart. One is from the top menu, you choose Insert Indicators Custom, and you'll find multi-pair sitting there, and you drag and drop that onto your navigation panel. Is pretty much the easiest way to do it. Or you can actually find it in the navigation panel on the left-hand side of your MetaTrader and just drag it to the chart window. And when you do, you'll get something that looks like this. That'll be on your chart. The indicator basically has 6 currency pairs in 8 different time frames, and I'll show you here now how to manipulate those a little. Here's just another screenshot that shows the trending chart on a Euro USD pair. So it'll show up on each window that you have in MetaTrader 4. Okay, so if we want to make some changes to it, the indicator is preloaded with 6 popular pairs, but you can change these pairs. To change a pair, you need to right-click on the chart window and choose the indicator list. Then choose multi-pair and click the Edit button. That'll bring up a window that looks like this. You can change currency pairs as well as the chart attributes, the colors and so forth. Just use the tabs up top and then click on whatever pair you want and type in the value. There is one thing that you should be aware of, and that the values that you use, the actual pair name, has to be the same exact way that your broker uses that pair. Sometimes they put an extension on it. Let's take a quick look. So here, this particular broker has an extension on the pair of DIAM. For some reason, that's how they do their brokering. So if you were to change your currency pairs, you would have to make sure they're identical to what your broker has. It's pretty simple. Anyway, that's it. That's your indicator loaded. If somehow you got to this video without picking up the indicator, you can go to our website again. That's JSEFXTrading.com, and sign up, pick up your free indicator there, and have a little bit more information on your charts so that you can see what a pair is doing over different time frames, so you know if you're in a strong trend or just kind of chop or sideways movement. and hopefully keeps you out of some bad trades and gets you into some good ones. I wish you all the best of trading, and we'll talk to you later. Bye now.